Alright guys, hope everybody's doing well. Obviously I done the video yesterday putting the 1.5 upgrade kit onto my KRATON version 1. So the video was all fine how I done it, but I put a note on the description of the video last night after I realised this brace here I had the other way around, so the sort of curve was on the top of the bar. But it's actually meant to go on the underside, so it was just 2 seconds to switch round, but I wasn't going to do a whole video again just to show you that. But that's what it should look like there. The car's all ready to go, looking great. I've got shock covers on it too, just because where I run there's a lot of stones and grit gets kicked up, so I didn't want to get too much chipping on my shocks or damage them in any way. So other than that, the car's completely stock, running on 8S today. And yeah, I just can't wait to give it a bash. So I've put a couple of mounts on the KRATON shell and on the wing, so I'm going to try and get a few different camera angles with this too. But I hope you enjoy it, and I certainly am going to, because I absolutely love this car. It's easily my favourite car that I've got in my collection. But yeah, off we go.